Hi, counselors. My name is Erin Jensen, and I am the new Campus Director of Admissions at Washington State University, Vancouver. I'm pleased to share some of the highlights and updates from our campus for this coming academic year. Washington State University, Vancouver is one of 6 WSU campuses statewide and the only 4-year research university in Southwest Washington. With a little more than 3,500 students, WSU Vancouver is a great fit for students who want a small school feel with the resources of a Tier 1 research university. And while we're hopeful that WSU Vancouver can offer in-person classes again soon, it's worth noting that distance learning is in our DNA. When WSU Vancouver was established in 1989, it was one of the first campuses in the nation to offer distance learning. Regardless of instruction method, one particular strength of WSU Vancouver is providing first-generation students with the academic and social resources they need to succeed. Speaking of resources, at WSU Vancouver, we strive to serve students holistically through academic wellness and social support from the very beginning of their Vancouver journey. One way we do this is by infusing academic advising into the first-year curriculum. Freshmen are enrolled in a 2-credit introductory course their first year, which is taught by their academic advisor. Students are not only introduced to the wide array of resources you see here, but they also learn goal setting, time management, and growth mindset thinking. A major theme of this course is cultural wealth literacy, which guides students through discussions about identity, race, and culture. It is tied to the Vancouver Journey mantra, navigate, discover, and become. I'll also point out that all of WSU Vancouver's resource centers quickly pivoted to remote services and events in the spring, and they continue to make innovative changes this fall. This year, Washington State University launched a new single application for all applicant types. The application fee is $70, and fee waivers are available to those who meet the qualifying criteria. I want to point out that for all students applying for fall 2021, WSU will not use SAT or ACT scores for admission or scholarship decisions. The WSU General Scholarship application is accessible from the same portal as the admissions application, and it includes more than 100 scholarships just for WSU Vancouver students. January 31st is the priority application deadline, as well as the deadline for the WSU General Scholarship application. Please encourage your students to apply early for both. WSU Vancouver is proud to have a dedicated financial aid outreach coordinator, Kim McDougall. She offers virtual financial aid workshops twice a month and can provide financial aid presentations for your school. This fall, we will once again partner with Gear Up to host College Goal Washington, this time virtually, to help anyone fill out the FAFSA or WASFA. When it comes to financial assistance specific to WSU Vancouver, I'd like to highlight some changes to the Vancouver Academic Achievement Award. This award now has a 3.8 GPA minimum, and students must have all admission documents submitted by January 31st to qualify. This fall, we're focused on being as available and as flexible as possible for you and your students in a virtual setting. In addition to the General Admissions 101 live session, we will soon roll out Admissions 201, which will focus on the nuts and bolts of transferring. We encourage Running Start students to attend both. We also plan to have recorded sessions for on-demand viewing. To supplement appointment availability, we will begin offering some routine blocks of virtual drop-in hours. And instead of a single preview day, we will host a series of short pre-recorded sessions with live Q&A over the course of 3 days in November. Students can choose from sessions about admissions and financial aid, academic departments, and student support services based on their own interests. That said, we're very interested in tailoring our outreach to you and your students, especially as things change this year. So please feel free to let us know what you need. In fact, I encourage you to reach out to the admissions counselor who works directly with your school. After all, our goal is to work in partnership with you. We greatly appreciate all that you do to support your students, and together we can increase student success across the state of Washington. Thank you.